Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll solve exercise 4b from mathematics 1. Number 1 says simplify, leaving your answers in index form. Actually 2 to the power 4, this is an index form. Okay, so we have to keep our answer in that way. So how can you solve it? Look, number 1 says 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 5. So here 2 is called the base and 4 is called the power or index. So 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 5. When you will see base are same and there is a multiplication sign, then you can add the power. So 2 to the power 4 plus 5. Actually that will be 2 to the power 9. So why this one is happen? Look, 2 to the power 4 means actually 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and 2 to the power 5 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That means 2 to the power 4 means 2 will be multiplied 4 times. 2 to the power 5 means 2 will be multiplied 5 times. So if we count, there is 9 2. So 2 will be multiplied 9 times. And that is actually similar to this one. So look, both way you can easily solve it, but I prefer this method because in this method you can easily solve this problem. So if I say base to the power into base to the power, that means if there is a 2 index form are given in this way, then we can say if base are same, then we will add the power. Okay, this is the very simplest way to solve it. And if there is a division sign, suppose b to the power p divided by b to the power q, then you can easily separate the power. Okay. Now number 2. Number 2 says 3 square multiplied by 3 to the power 7. 3 square multiplied by 3 to the power 7. Look, base are same. So we have to add the power. So answer should be 3 to the power 9. And number 3 says 6 cube multiplied by 6 to the power 4. Look, base are same, so we have to add the power. So final answer will be 6 to the power 7, and that is the index form. That is index form. So we have to leave our answer in this way. Next, number 4. Number 4 says 3 multiplied by 7 square multiplied by 3 cube multiplied by 7. So how can you solve this problem? Look, 3 multiplied by 7 square multiplied by 3 cube multiplied by 7. At first, we have to omit the brackets. So 3 multiplied by 7 square multiplied by 3 cube multiplied by 7. 3 multiplied by 3 cube multiplied by 7 square multiplied by 7. So here we can write 3 to the power 1 plus 3 because base are same multiplied by 7 to the power 2 plus 1. So 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 7 cube will be our final answer. Now number 5. Number 5 says square root of 3 to the power 10. How can you solve this problem? 3 to the power 10 multiplied by half. Square root means we have to multiply the power by half, or we can divide the power by 2. So answer will be 3 to the power 5 because 10 divided by 2, that will be 5. Now number 6. Number 6 says square root of 5 to the power 6. We know that square root means we have to multiply the power by half, or we can divide the power by 2. 6 divided by 2, that will be 3. So answer will be 5 cube, and that will be the answer of number 6. Now number 7. Number 7 says 3 to the power 9 divided by 3 cube. We know that if there is a multiplication between two base, then we have to add the power if base are same. And there is division, then we have to subtract the power. So it will be 3 to the power 9 minus 3. And 3 to the power 9 minus 3, that will be 3 to the power 6. We can easily solve. That means to divide, we subtract the indices. Very simple. Now, number 8. How can you solve number 8? Number 8 says 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 cube. there is a division sign. That's why we have to subtract the power or indices. Though 5 to the power 6 minus 3. That will be 5 cube. Then number 9. Number 9 says 7 to the power 11 divided by 7 to the power 4. Base are same and there is a division sign. That's why we have to subtract the indices or power. 7 to the power 11 minus 4, that will be 7 to the power 7, and that will be the final answer. And our last problem, number 10. Number 10 says 3 square multiplied by 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 cube. Very simple. There is a multiplication and division sign. So then we have to add 2 and 6 and we have to subtract this 3. So 2 plus 6 minus 3. Then 3 to the power 2 plus 6, that will be 8 minus 3, then 3 to the power 5. And that will be our final answer. Now number 11. How can you solve number 11? This is very simple. X cube multiplied by x to the power 5. Since base are same and there is a product sign or multiplication sign, that means we have to add the indices. So 3 plus 5. That means x to the power 8, and that will be the answer of this problem. Now number 12. Number 12 says y square multiplied by y to the power 7. Since base are same, so we have to add the power. So 2 plus 7, that will be y to the power 9. Now number 13. Number 13 says z to the power 5 multiplied by z to the power 6. Since base are same, so we have to add the indices. So answer will be z to the power 5 plus 6, that will be 11. And last one, number 14. Number 14 says 3a to the power 5 multiplied by 4a. So at first you have to multiply the numbers. 3 multiplied by 4, that will be 12. And a to the power, here the index is 5 and the index of this one is 1. So a to the power 5 plus 1. The answer will be 12a to the power 6. Very simple. Now number 15. So 15 will be a to the power 7 divided by a cube. How can you solve? There is a division, so we have to subtract the indices. So a to the power 7 minus 3, that will be a to the power 4. Very simple. Now number 16. Number 16 says 24a to the power 5 divided by 12a squared. So we know that 24 divided by 12, that will be 2. A to the power 5 minus 2. That will be 2a cube. And we can solve it in another way. 24a to the power 5 divided by 12a squared. 24 can be divisible by 12. That will be 2. A to the power 5 divided by a squared. That will be a cube. Same result. We will get same result. Number 17. Number 17 says c cube multiplied by c to the power 4 multiplied by c. Then we have to just add the indices. 3 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Answer will be c to the power 8. Now, number 18. Number 18 says d to the power 5 multiplied by d divided by d squared. So, there is a multiplication and division. So, we can write in this way. D to the power 5 multiplied by d squared. So d to the power 5 can be divisible by d square. It will be d cube. So d cube multiplied by d, that will be d to the power 4. That will be our answer. And we can solve it in another way. D to the power 5. For multiplication, we have to add. For division, we have to subtract. So 5 plus 1, that is 6 minus 2. That will be d to the power 4. Very simple. Now, number 19. Number 19 says square root of z to the power a. That is very simple problem. When we're solving the square root means we have to multiply the power by half, or we can divide the power by 2. That means z to the power a by 2, that is z to the power 4. Or we can write z to the power 8 multiplied by half, that will be z to the power 4. Both are same thing. Now 20. 20 says square root of 25 a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Here 25 means actually 5 square. a to the power 4, b to the power 4. We know that square root means we have to divide the power by 2, or we can multiply the power by half. So 5 to the power 2 multiplied by half, a to the power 4 multiplied by half, b to the power 4 multiplied by half. So 2 and 2 will go on, 4 by 2 that will be 2, 4 by 2 that will be 2. So answer will be 5 a square b square. Now number 21. 21 says 5x square y multiplied by 6x cube. Look, 5 multiplied by 6, that will be 30. X to the power, here the power of x is 2, here the power of x is 3. So x to the power 2 plus 3 into y. So answer will be 30 x to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5 y. Number 22. Number 22 says 48 x to the power 4 y cube divided by 12 xy. 48 divided by 12, that is 4, x to the power 4 minus 1, y to the power 3 minus 1. That is 4x cube y square. And we can solve it in another way also. That is, you know that 48x to the power 4 y cube divided by 12 xy. So if we just divide 48 by 12, that will be 4, x to the 4 by x, that will be x cube, and y cube by y, that will be y square. Then final answer will be 4x cube y square. Now number 23. 23 says 25p to the power 5 divided by 5q to the power 4. 25p to the power 5 divided by 5p to the power 4. So we have to divide. 25 can be divisible by 5. So 5 is 25. We can divide p by p. Q to the power 5 divided by q to the power 4. That will be q. So answer will be 5q. Or we can solve it in this way also. 25 divided by 5, that will be 5. P to the power 1 minus 1 and q to the power 5 minus 4. So 5, p to the power 0, that is 1. And q to the power 5 minus 4, that is q to the power 1. So answer will be 5q. Very simple. Now 24. 24 says square root of 49 a to the power 4 b to the power 4. So instead of 49, we can write 7 square and a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Square root means we have to multiply the power by half, or we can divide the power by 2. So 7 to the power 2 multiplied by half, a to the power 4 multiplied by half, b to the power 4 multiplied by half. So here final answer will be 7 a square b square. And that will be the final answer of 24. Number 25. 25 says 64 a to the power 8 divided by 4 a to the power 6. So 64 can be divisible by 4. So it is 16. And a to the power 8 minus 6. That is 16 a square. Or we can solve in another way. 64 a to the power 8 divided by 4 a to the power 6. That is, actually we can write 64 a to the power 8 by 4 a to the power 6. 64 by 4, that will be 16. A to the power 8 by a to the power 6, that will be a square. Now number 26. Number 26 says 3ab multiplied by 4a square b multiplied by 5a cube b. So 3ab multiplied by 4a square b multiplied by 5a cube b. So at first we have to multiply 3, 4 and 5. 5 4 is 20, 23 is 60. Then we have to think about a. Here the index of a is 1, here 2, here 3. So we have to add the index 1 plus 2 plus 3. And b to the power, here 1, here 1, here 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So final answer will be 60 a to the power 6 b cube. That will be the final answer of 26. Now 27. 27 says 4ab multiplied by 3a square b square divided by 2a square b. So how can you solve this problem? 4 multiplied by 3, 12. 12 divided by 2, that will be 6. Here, if we think about a to the power 1, here 2. So we have to add because of the multiplication. And for division, we have to subtract these 2. And b to the power here 1 plus 2 minus 1. Then our final answer will be 6ab squared. That will be the final answer. And we can solve it in another way. Look, 4ab multiplied by 3a squared b squared divided by 2a squared b. So a square we can cut it, b and b we can cut it. 4 divided by 2, it will be 2. So our final answer will be 2 3s are 6ab squared. You can choose any method. Both methods are correct. Now 28. So we can solve 28 very easy way. 28 says ab whole square multiplied by a cube multiplied by b square. So ab whole square is exactly we can write in this way, a square b square multiplied by a cube multiplied by b square. We have to add the power or index, a to the power 2 plus 3 and b to the power 2 plus 2. A to the power 2 plus 3, that will be 5, b to the power 4. So here final answer will be a to the power 5, b to the power 4. 29. 29 says square root of a to the power 10 b square. Square root means we have to multiply the index by half or divide index by 2. That means a to the power 10 multiplied by half and b to the power 2 multiplied by half. 10 divided by 2, that will be 5. So a to the power 5, b to the power 2 divided by 2, that will be 1. So answer will be a to the power 5, b. Now number 30. Number 30 says square root of 36, a to the power 6, b squared. Instead of 36, we can write 6 squared, a to the power 6, b squared. We know that square root means we have to multiply the index or power by half. That means 6 to the power 2 multiplied by half, a to the power 6 multiplied by half, b to the power 2 multiplied by half. So it will be 6 a to the power 3 b. Answer will be 6 a cube b. In this way, we can easily solve this chapter. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.